Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, my name is Adity and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on this look and how you can achieve it. It is a very beautiful golden brown eyes with red lips, a very classic look. This look is very neutral, so you can wear it at any function, party or farewell or Valentine's Day, and you can obviously change the lip color according to your preference, but I wanted to make it look very classy, so that is what I opted for. So yeah, this is the look I came up with. I did not use foundation for this one and it's still looking so beautiful. So yes, if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So first of all, to prep my face, I'm going to use this Levan Naturals 24 karat gold serum. This has gold dust in it, which provides a very beautiful glow to your face. So you will have a very glowy base on the day of Valentine's or farewell or party or wherever you are wearing this makeup to. You can also apply primer, but I'm not going to apply one today. So for my base, I'm keeping it very light. And the product which I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade medium, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that on the back of my hand and I'm going to apply it with the help of my fingers because I'm going to blend it with my fingers. Lately I have discovered that blending products with your fingers provides it a very natural glow. So I'm applying it on the areas where I have discoloration. This concealer is the exact match to my skin tone. So there you have it, an even base. And now I'm going to do my eyes. I do not want to use a lot of product on my eyes, so I'm just going to use maybe 2 or 3 eyeshadows. That's it. So the palette which I'm using is this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. It is a very beautiful palette. I'm first going to pack this shimmery white gold shade on my lids. And then I'm going to take this transition shade and I'm going to apply it on my crease. Then I'm also going to take this chocolate brown shade and apply it on the outer V of my eyelids. And I'm just going to blend the edges a little bit so that it does not look very stark. I'm keeping the eyes very neutral so that everyone can do it. And for my eyeliner, I'm going to use this Biotin Italy. This is their smudge proof ink eyeliner, and I'm going to draw a precise wing with this. So our eyeliner is also done. I'm going to take this shade on my lower lashes too. Now for my brows, I'm going to take this Miss Clear waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade brown, and I'm going to fill my brows with this. So my brows are also filled. I'm not going to apply any more highlighting concealer and all of that stuff because I do not want my face to look cakey, and the key to flawless makeup is not layering too much product. So yeah, I'm just going to directly powder it, and the compact powder which I'm using is again by Biotin Italy, and I'm in the shade 203 Sun Beige. This is their Dew Matte Wet and Dry Powder Foundation. It has a very beautiful coverage, so I really like it. This is how it looks from inside, and yeah, I'm just going to apply it on my face. Now once that is also done, I am going to take this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink. It has a little bit of shimmers in it, and that too gold shimmers, which looks gorgeous. So yeah, this will again make your skin look like you are blushing from within, and you know the glow is real, because of course it's Valentine's Day, so you will be blushing, you will be glowing. Or in case you want to add more to it, so this is the way to go for. And I'm just going to take it on my brush and apply it on the cheeks. And I'm also going to bronze very lightly. So again I'm using Biotin Italy Studio Wet n Dry blusher in the shade 306 Bronze. It is a very beautiful bronzy shade. So I'm going to apply it over my blush and a little below it. So now that is done, and I'm going to apply some highlighter, because again you want to glow. So the one I'm using is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. It's a very beautiful champagne highlighter. It looks so natural. So I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm not going very ham, and I'm going to apply it on my highest point of the cheek. And for mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline Big Shot Volume Express mascara, my go-to, and I'm going to apply it on my both upper and lower lashes. So now for my lipstick, I'm confused between two options. The first one is this Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Drop Dead Red, and then I have the Maybelline lip gradation in the shade Red 2. So I don't know, I think I will go with this one, the Maybelline lip gradation, and then we will see. Both of these lipsticks are very long lasting, by the way. So your makeup is complete. This was such an easy look. Definitely do try this. It is actually a very universal look. You can also change the lip color according to your color of dress, but the eyes are very neutral. You can definitely wear it to your farewell parties or Valentine's Day, and it looks so stunning. So yes, that will be it for my today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you recreate this look, then please do not forget to tag me on my Instagram or DM me your pictures. I would love to see them. And yeah, so I will see you soon in my next video. Until next time, bye, take care.